Bishop Diocese Haboroni kereke marona yo guitsepo ehoko pa hotmanisa monna yo morara rona kore edirele ele motiako.
Do you know him to be worthy?
Moraho ha itotlomiso moba Christine lemoho babanten bamorutunta isupa fa achanela.
Reika hile katusu ya motimu retlopa monna yo morara rona kore atene mosi topeng sapati yako ni.
Rele boha mutimo moholo kwani utopile. Moholo kwani utopile. Aisa dere utopile. Utoka abewa. Abewe. Jamu ararete mu bishop wa amolaya le rona arelaya.
Uta hating abewe kiyosa te mpahana. Kiyosa re mpahana kinna mutia kona nini. Kumunati husuko munga munwa. Mewe na wa itebala. Ke eleta hore ba shaba twapelo tatijeni. Banyana ba twapelo tata ka bometile. Pompiano ki le tati rabu itumelo jubo holo. Yakari Pereira Peu Yaha Junior Kunna Mutiakoni Muraho ha lo baka lo telele kana muraho ha sebaka se telele le tatile rintirele emete eso ali moko la ka dizemba onali matunyo kwa mangwe esa konne kwe komutroma mutiakoni ngohola kumpieno le hile katu ya bokhelo yakale utwa mungabu akantile pelha atomiwa honna mopresita katu sia mudimo kana mopresita wako mukin baba saiting rieta kana hori tila yako yako aletale ya mudimo tila yako na mopresita asiti tila kuchwani etele letoka me baba ikona baba se kaihela baba tina musi ating me baba kona katusu ya ditapel sa baba baratani esin baba baba lona baba rirata kilona baba we bapelelani por el kona hokolo hati ho eleta hodilo la motimo ho eleta hodilo la kereke kisilo sese molemo kisilo sese siamen sese tumedisang pelo kita hole le de motimo ho itumela humpieno ka honna le ka wana le ikabela kereke botselo jwa ha hore monana akona ho ikabela mutimo likeleke botselo jwa hawe utsamo le lapeng mongere mongo utsapo le lapeng me hona le malapa a rapelang le malapa sa rapeleng batela jakanna bona di jobari jabasa itu ole di twakai baru bala basa itu ole bata tu hakamosu Mais bon aller ba mo fa ba to ka ba kubama ba rapela ba le boka modimo. Fa ba bona magwinya ba le boka pila ba. Pito ya bojiredi bota felofo mo le raping le rapelang le rapa le eating modin. Rekata hore hakiti le rapala boye bati keta hore bata mpole la kantele keta le bota la rapela ko la pe papa le mama le morutile tsela ya modimo kana o twa go isela go se le kwante fa ile gore ha le isile ithuta go rapela la simolla ka tijeno because ka gore mo presita mo ngwe mo tsane o na le yo mo emang no king katapelo akubama akupa modimo go mo sireletsa mo matateng matune go kote a pitso e lo ga go le hape lo itse gore le ntwela modimo fa le tla mo go wena le ntwela modimo le sisane ha le modumo jaaka silo se ke ntse ke sa se bua le tale le sisane fa o sa ipana go ya go rapela ha o ka ke kwa utlwa le tse leo la motho bangwe ba toetse go rapela go bala mo di bareng ba utlwa modumo wa gumba ki hone modumo ba o itse hela aba itse ba utlwa modumo wa lentela modimo ka le sisane bangwe ba tla mo kerekeng ba le mo kwaereng ba opela ba utlwa modumo wa moopelo wa bone hela ko tlase ha moopelo o na le lentela modimo le sisane ipa nako ya go yetsa lentele. To want to do something beautiful for God is to want to do something which is good. And for a young person in our times, wanting to offer himself to the service of God and to become a priest, we can say it's something very beautiful. The call to serve comes from the family in which we are born. Each and every one of us comes from a family. The saying is a family that prays together stays together. But I say a praying family will always create space for God. They recognize the place of God in their family. And they teach their children to listen to the voice of God and to respond. I want to believe, even though I do not know, that the parents of our son Ezekiel, they have learned how to pray. I want to believe that. And if you haven't learned, you are going to start today. Nobody will tell you to learn to pray. When your son is standing there and they are talking about your son, you will know when to kneel down and call upon God for help. Remember that the voice of God is always soft, gentle, and small. It's not a loud voice. God doesn't use a public address system like I'm using right now. And the voice of God is different from the voice, the noise of the bars and the other places we visit. Moses, the greatest leader of the Jews, when he was faced with the challenge of leadership, he called and chose some men among them to share in the Spirit of God that he has been given. He shared with them the Spirit he himself received. He made them his co-workers that he, Moses alone,